I'm going to show you the 4 key ways that you can grow your business, get the traffic that you want on demand by using these 4 platforms. Now, my name is Mark Clayborne, and I'm a motivational marketing expert. And I use these same 4 platforms to help me grow my software business from 0 subscribers to thousands of subscribers. Now, let's get right into it. So let me show you the first platform I use to help me grow my business. Now, this is all about how to get more customers for your business. How to get more customers for your business. I'm going to show you these powerful platforms that you can use. Now, the first platform we're going to look at is Facebook. Now, as you guys know, Facebook is very, very popular at this time. Everybody is on Facebook, but not everyone is using Facebook advertising. And that's one of the things. You want to be on Facebook. You have to get your business on Facebook. But you also have to be very careful when you place all of your eggs in one basket, because one wrong move with Facebook, they can disable your business manager account or your ad account. So all of the work that you've put into trying to grow your business on Facebook, if for some reason they don't like you or they don't like the ads that you're using, they would immediately disable your account, which is very, very, very bad. Now, I've been in that situation before. I was able to bounce back, but I'm just warning you that Facebook doesn't really care about business owners like that. So whenever you're advertising on Facebook, you have to be very careful when you're doing your advertising, and you have to follow their terms and conditions, their community guidelines, so your Facebook ad does not get disabled for whatever reason, or for you violating the policies. Okay. Now, Facebook is an interruption platform. Now, what does that mean? It's an interruption platform. They are not searching for your products. Let me repeat. Facebook is an interruption platform. It's kind of like you're driving to Vegas and you see all these billboards on the right or left hand side, and you keep driving. You quickly look at them, but you keep driving. And that's how Facebook is. They're not searching for anything that you sell, right? So it's kind of like branding. So what I would say, I would use Facebook for branding. If I'm going to brand my business, I would use it to build up credibility, make people aware of my product. That way, later on down the funnel, the customer journey, you can later remarket to them and help those customers understand a little bit about your product. So remember, Facebook is one marketing channel. It's a paid platform. And also, I use it as a branding channel and not as like a direct sell channel, because again, the people on Facebook, they're not looking for your service. They're not looking for the product that you offer. Now, the second one we're going to take a look at is Instagram. Now, if you don't know about Instagram, you should know about Instagram, but I'm pretty sure most people know about Instagram. The great thing about Instagram is that Facebook allows you to do advertising to the billions of people, or the 1 billion people that's on Instagram right now, right? So even if you're brand new, you have a product or if you have a service and you want to get the word out about your product and service, you have 2 ways of doing this. One, you could do it through organic. That means just posting on your Instagram profile, your business Instagram profile, and it's going to take forever. It's going to take forever for you to grow your Instagram following. It's going to take forever for you to get your product out there and let people know about it. Or you can do it the fast way. You have money, you can advertise. And that's what Facebook wants. They want you to advertise on Instagram. So you can boost a post, or you can run Instagram ads through the Facebook ad platform. Now, if you're trying to grow your business, if you say, Mark, I don't have time for this organic stuff, it is too slow, then you use Instagram to boost your product posts. You use Instagram to run ads, promotional ads, and get in front of your audience. Again, Instagram is kind of like Facebook. They're not looking for your product. Now, they're interested. You can use keywords, which are tags in Instagram, and you can target people that are very similar to you, or someone who's liked your product, someone who's watched your video. You can use Instagram boost posts to get and reach more people in Instagram. All right, so another platform is Quora. Quora. I always have a problem pronouncing that. Quora. Now, Quora is another platform. It's a question and answer platform. People ask questions, you provide the answer. Now, the way marketers are doing it right now is that they are going into Quora and they're answering as many questions as possible and hoping that people will reach out to them, hoping that people will click a link inside of their bio, hoping that people will contact them directly to learn a little bit more about their services. Now, again, like me, I like to get straight to the point and I want people to reach out to me right away. So Quora, they have a marketing platform as well. So you can run ads in front of people who are searching based on keyword and interest. So when people are searching for a topic, they're asking a question, you can put your ad in front of them at that particular time. Again, you have to pay for these ads. It's a pay to play type of thing. I'm always about pay to play. I don't have time to do this organic thing because it takes too long for the organic reach. Okay. So again, Quora is another option for you. If you don't like Facebook, if you don't like Instagram, Quora is another option for you to run ads and to get your message or your product in front of your ideal customer. All right. So the next one and the last one is Google Ads. Now, we all know that Google is the 800-pound gorilla of the internet. They are the internet. Facebook is not bigger than Google, and Google is where people search. Now, why do I say Google? Because when people search on Google, they're doing what we call a search intent. They're typing in keywords. They're typing in keywords for things that they're looking for, a product that they're looking for, a service that they're looking for. So their intent is so much stronger than Facebook because they're searching for exactly what they want. And this is why Google is a little bit more expensive than Facebook because the intent for the product is there. So whatever service they're looking for, I need a plumber. I need a hairstylist. I want to buy Nikes. I want this. How to do this. How to do that. People are searching for that. And every single time people search based on a keyword, Google will serve up your ad or your promotion in front of that customer. Now, it really depends on how creative your ads or your promotions are for the customer to click on your ad or your creative. All right. So again, like I said, these are 4 marketing platforms that I use to grow my software from 0 to thousands of customers: Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and Google, the 800-pound gorilla. All right. So again, this is Mark Clayborne, the motivation marketing expert. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you have the discipline? Do you have the focus to go out there and make this happen? Do you have the courage, the motivation, the discipline, the mindset to grow your business? Because you are the business owner. You're the leader of your business. Everybody depends on you. Everybody relies on you to make things happen and to become successful for your business. So it all starts right here in the mind. If the mind is not correct, then the business won't grow. All right. So listen, for more videos like this, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell button. Turn on the bell notification as well. So every single time I go live, you will get a powerful video just like this. Take care.